Miss Marissa, and it's time for our 5th and final day of our Art Heart Valentine's Day lovey-dovey art craft spalooza extravaganza. Great time. I'm so happy to have spent this whole week with you this week. We made all sorts of really cool things. It wouldn't be our February time together without our two friends, Larry and Lola the Lovebirds. Hey guys! You had such a lovely time this week. Me too. I think we've had so much fun making flamingos, making flowers, making some hearts, and I know that we're going to have something fun to do today. I was wondering, where do you guys live? In a tree? That's so awesome. What kind of tree? Apple, orange, a heart tree. You lovebirds live in a lovey-dovey love tree? Who would have thought? That gives me a great idea for a craft. We should make a lovey-dovey love tree for our last day of Valentine's Day Heart Extravaganza Palooza. We'll need a few things. We'll need a blank piece of paper to glue everything on, a tree trunk. That's a great Valentine's Day color. Mine's pink. You could use red, purple, really any color you want. And some cute hearts cut out of fun Valentine's Day paper. Oh, and we can't forget our handy dandy glue. Let's see how it's made. First, you're going to want to take that glue and glue down your trunk. I like that I put it against a dark color, but anything will work well for this beautiful tree. Next, just take the hearts and glue them anywhere you want to on the branches. You can have some on the tips, some on the middles, some going different ways. I even am going to put one right in the middle to be a little hidey hole for one of my animals. Wow, this looks spectacular. Check it out. I got all the hearts all over my lovey-dovey tree. Let's show the lovebirds. Hey, Larry. Hey, Lola. What do you think? It looks just like your home. That's so awesome. I think it looks great enough to hang up on my fridge this season. Well, guys, I had such a great time with you this week on our lovey-dovey Heart Extravaganza Palooza Holiday Special Craft Week. It was so great making all of these crafts. This weekend on Valentine's Day, don't forget to tell someone that you love them and show them that you care. See you next time.